Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Honda Fit ignition. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely with the parking brake engaged. For your safety, always disconnect the negative battery cable before starting any electrical work. Next, adjust the steering column to its lowest and most extended position. Then, carefully remove the upper and lower steering column covers, often secured by screws and clips. With the covers off, you'll gain access to the ignition switch assembly. Locate and remove any screws holding it in place. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connectors, typically labeled 2P, 6P, and 7P, from the ignition switch. Be gentle to avoid damaging the tabs. Finally, release any wire harness clips that secure the wiring to the steering column, allowing for more movement. Now, to remove the ignition lock cylinder itself, insert your key and turn it to the on position. This action unlocks the cylinder for removal. Look for a small release pin or tab on the ignition lock cylinder housing. Using a small pick tool or a flathead screwdriver, press this release pin while gently pulling the lock cylinder straight out of its housing. It should slide out smoothly. To reassemble, align the new ignition lock cylinder and gently slide it into place until it clicks. Reconnect all electrical connectors and secure the wire harness clips. Reinstall the steering column covers, ensuring all screws and clips are properly fastened. Reconnect the negative battery cable and test the new ignition to confirm it functions correctly. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.